Hello everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to use the lip sync tool. With this tool, you can combine a specific image or video with audio to create videos where the lips move in sync with the sound. Let's take a look at how to use it. First, on the left side, click on Lip Sync in the global sidebar. You'll see two options: pick a face image and upload a face video. Let's start by looking at Pick a Face Image. Click the button, and here you can either upload an image from your computer or choose an image directly from your canvas below. Once you've selected the image, Dzine will automatically detect and mark the face. Simply click on the face you want to use, and you can choose up to 2 characters. After selecting, click Next to go to the audio upload page. On this page, you'll see 2 generation modes: Normal and Pro. We recommend choosing Pro for better video quality. Then, click on the corresponding speakers track below to add the audio. There are 2 options here: text-to-speech and upload audio. In the text-to-speech section, Dzine gives you different voices in different languages to choose from. Just type the text, select the language, and pick a voice. You can also listen to a preview here.
Hey, are you looking for a fresh and engaging voice for your podcast?
You can even adjust the speed of the voice at the bottom. Click Generate Audio.
Welcome, everyone. Today we're talking about real AI character dialogue.
And the audio will be added to the track. Now we'll do the same for Speaker B's audio. Just type the text. Choose the language, pick a voice.
That's right. It's now in Dzine's lip sync.
Then you can drag the audio tracks to make the 2 characters speak to each other. If they have multiple lines of dialogue, you can hover your mouse over the part of the audio track where you want the next line to start. You'll see a floating Add button appear. Just click on the track, and a new piece of dialogue will be added. You should already be familiar with the following steps.
Don't wait, go try it now.
If the audio has some filler words or pauses, you can slightly overlap the audio tracks of both speakers to make the conversation feel more natural. If the audio is long, don't worry. Dzine will automatically extend the video to match the audio, and it can create lip sync videos that are up to 30 seconds long. If the audio is short, you can manually adjust the video length. After everything is set, you can preview the audio and then click Generate to create the lip sync video.
Welcome, everyone. Today we're talking about real AI character dialogue.
That's right. It's now in Dzine's lip sync.
Don't wait, go try it now.
Next, let's take a look at how to use Upload a Face Video. Click the button to upload your video. Please note, there are some restrictions for video uploads. The video must be an MP4 or MOV format. The file size should be 50 megabytes or less, and the duration must be 30 seconds or shorter. To get the best results, please try to upload a video where the face occupies a large portion of the frame and is facing forward. You can upload a local video that meets these requirements directly into Dzine. For videos, Dzine supports lip sync for up to 3 characters. Once your video is uploaded, if your original video contains background music or sound effects, you can check the Keep Original Audio box in the lower right corner of the preview. However, please make sure there's no overlap between the speech and the audio track. Next, on the audio track below, select the corresponding speaker and click Upload Audio to add your audio. In this case, I will upload the pre-prepared audio files one by one, and then adjust the start positions of each audio. The video length will automatically extend by reversing the video to match the audio. After everything looks good, click Generate and wait for the video to be created.
Hurry up, I see the enemy.
Wait, I'm reloading.
They're rushing in. Cover me.
Don't panic. I'm on it.
The lip sync tool works great for animated characters too, like animal characters. The steps are the same. After that, click Next. Select the speaker's audio track to add the audio. Once everything is set, click Generate to create the video.
Technically, That was the desired reaction. Just not the timing.
Now you know how to use the lip sync tool. Go ahead and try creating fun lip sync videos, and don't forget to follow our channel. See you next time.